My dear children, are you tired? Are you tired? Okay. Before saying this magic, very important, I will tell you, very important for the children and for the staff members and father also. 5 points very important. Believe in God, believe in people, and believe on yourself. Yes or no? Second, hard work, mental hard work, mentally, physically, and spiritually, very important. Third, aim high, what you want to become. I want to become sister. What do you want to become? Sister. What are you became now? Jadugar. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. What you will become, you become. Next one, perseverance. Third one, believe yourself, you can do it. Very important. So how lucky you are, my dear children, that you are studying such a beautiful school. Never waste your time. Obey your parents, obey your teachers, obey your elders. God will bless you. Yes or no? Look at now, all people now. All people now. I have got one bone. Can you see this? Can you see this bone? This bone will teach you big lesson. Bone for a lesson, it will come on. Okay? When I say stop, it will stop. When I say go, it will go. When I say don't go, it will not go. When I say go slowly, it will go slowly. Do you want to see? Okay. So are you order, okay? Stop. Clap your hand. Stop. Clap your hand. Okay. Go. Clap your hand. Fully going. Stop. Clap your hand. Stop already. Go. Correct now? Father is cheating us. Not cheating us. Catching the hand. Okay. Now I put middle. You say hey, Baro, Kasto, Sumatra, Jagmantra. रुक जाओ और जाओ नहीं. Stop. Clap your hands. And I say, go slowly, go! Stop. Go and stop again. Never go. Clap your hands. And go slowly, go! Stop. Go straight, don't stop anywhere. Clap your hands. Sir, please stop. Now you say, yeah, clap your hands. Jadugar is coming, clap your hands, go straight. Gana. Okay. You say hey, Baro, Sumatra, Jagmantra. Stop. Go straight. Stop. Go middle. Never go. One kick you get. Clap your hands. Okay, I have three cards. One is in, two, and three. Okay. Now this card. Can you see this card? Gana, Gana, Gana. This is very much. This is the last now. Magic, beautiful. Last you'll enjoy. Will you enjoy? Are you very tired? I want two little girls. No. One little girl, one little big girl. One little boy, one big boy. Please come. Last very nice magic show. Please come. Fast, 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 fast. One big boy. Okay, my last magic after this stop is last, okay? Let me hand. Okay. Children, please go down. My dear friends, I finish my magic show. Just 2 words I will say after that I conclude. Put your hands. One, two. Take near right. 1, 2, 3. Put near your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut your mouth. All of you, My dear friends, my dear children, my dear staff, I really enjoyed being with you. I am ever grateful to Father Zacchaeus, the headmaster, for inviting me. I am grateful to Father Eddie, inviting me to be with you on this occasion of opening new academic year 2022-23. Thank you for giving opportunity to be with you, to share children. I can learn so many things, beautiful children, good discipline. And did you enjoy magic? How many of you want to be a magician? Wow, Father, plenty magicians. You can come to our Parpeta room, Parpeta, Tega Beta, Mega Beta. Okay? So, dear Father, Jai, thank you very much. God bless you. You say Baba, say? I say dialogue, you should say Baba. What do you say? All of you, teachers, Baba, say? ऊपर देखने से नीली आकाश कह देती है, और ऊपर देखने से आकाश कह देती है, दूर दूर देखने से नीचे पहाड़ कहते हैं, अगल बगल देखने से हरे भरे पेड़ कह देते हैं, और आमने सामने देखने सुंदर सुंदर हैंडसम जादूगर दिखाई देते हैं। वाह, ताली मारो। अरे लास्ट वन, ओके। मेरा मन तो चाहता है सोचने का, बाबा से। मेरा मन तो चाहता है सोचने का, मेरा आंख तो चाहता है देखने का, मेरा कान तो चाहता है सुनने का, मेरा मुंह तो चाहता है बोलने का, मेरा हाथ तो चाहता है एक थप्पड़ मारने का, मेरा पैर तो चाहता है 2 लात मारने का, लेकिन भगत खजूस का दिल तो चाहता है तुझसे हमको प्यार करने का। वाह, सो भगत, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू।